Sorry for my poor English, but I'd like to introduce a wonderful Japanese product in English. My name is Mitsuru Oats. I've been mechanic for 30 years. I'm 54, no, 54 years old. Today, I'd like to introduce you to SAWDUST SOAP. It's SAWDUST SOAP. SAWDUST SOAP. どこだSAWDUST SOAP. It's a hand soap that absolute ingredient are member of the professional drift team. A member of the professional drift team who came to Japan from America said he'd never seen or heard of this soap. So I thought I'd introduce it to him. 大丈夫かこれわかんない人ごめんねas you can see this as you can see it's a soft very soft large grained powder in America Permatex first range a creamy soap made with citrus ingredients is famous. The most amazing thing about this SAWDUST soap is that it also remove odor, very stink, ATF, gear oil, kerosene, gasoline, and other stink odor that are difficult to remove from your hands are removed along with that using this. Oneつかみね。シュールだなこれごめんねなんか皆さんごめんねなんかわけわかんない英語で喋っちゃってさ今年ねアメリカ行くからさそれの練習中かねどうだそろそろどうだじゃんよっとAs you can see, it's a soft large もういたね To use simply, take a small amount in your hands. Add a little water, rub your hands together and rinse with water. Look, It's a pretty cream now. If you put this soap in a small bag and put in the corner of your toolbox, you can clean your hands even when you're on the go as long as you have water. It's very conventional to carry. It's a very convenient to carry. It's a very convenient to carry. Now this soap costs 15 pounds. It's a very reasonable price at $14. $14. 15 pounds. $14. If you English speaking people come to Japan for travel or work, why not buy this soap as a souvenir? That's my recommendation. ごめん。Sorry. Very poor English. Finished. My name is Mitsuru from Japan. Finish.